Hi, I'm Becky Buttons with buttonmakers.net, and in this video I'm going to unbox a new ProMaker and talk a bit about the troubleshooting steps for when you have a brand new machine just out of the box and you can't rotate the die table. That is because of the thick layer of machine lubricant that comes on this machine, and it's very easy to solve. You just need to use your muscles. So this is a ProMaker machine box. I'm gonna open it up and take out the sample bits. Try to get a shot of that here on the old cell phone camera. All right, so here she is. This is a brand new ProMaker, and when you first put the machine in its upright resting position with its handle, you're supposed to be able to rotate this die table easily. And okay, so now this one's working. So sometimes when you open this box up and you start to try to make buttons, you'll find, especially if it's cold, that the machine lubricant is sticky and it's like a really thick layer of goopy lube there, and it makes it to where it's hard to actually move the die table. It won't rotate freely. And so if it's just out of the box, this only happens when it's like brand new, and usually if it's cold. If this is happening to you, like if it's happening to you and your machine is old, it's not the same problem. This is for a brand new machine. So you just need to, force it. You just need to put the handle in its upright resting position. Make sure it's like this, not like this. That's definitely different. Definitely like this. And then you just, put your thumb on one side here to give yourself some leverage and just, really give it some muscle. Again, you only have to do that once to unstick it, and it shouldn't stick like that again. It's just because of the viscosity of the machine lubricant and typically the temperature as well. So let me know if you have any questions. Happy button making.